What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new in this channel, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would help you to get rid of double chin and saggy jawline. Okay, so the thing is that I tend to see this a whole lot. People who tend to have double chin and saggy jawline, tend to kind of give you that old looking stuff, so this natural home remedy is going to help you to get rid of it. Okay, and it does work. Yes, it does work really fine. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, follow me on Instagram. Now let's dive into the video. Then we're gonna be needing banana. Alright, banana is a great moisturizer. It helps to firm up the skin. It also helps to remove pigments. It will therefore help for double chin and double jawline. Alright, so for the banana, I'm gonna be cutting that into pieces. Then I'll be blending it, okay? So I'm done blending this, and now I'm gonna be transferring that into this bowl. Alright guys, so you can actually mash your banana if you can't blend, and it's actually pretty soft and smooth too. Then we're going to be needing cucumber to help to firm up the skin and also remove wrinkles and fine lines, and also to increase the skin elasticity. So for the cucumber, we're going to be needing just a little cut of that, and we're going to be cutting it in cubes. I'm going to blend it. Alright, so here is a blended cucumber, and we're just going to put that into this bowl. And that will be enough. For double chin, we're going to be needing egg to tighten up the jaw and chin, also to tighten up the pores. I'm going to break the egg. And then we're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of the egg whites. Okay, that didn't even get in. We'll then be needing yogurt For the lactic acid in yogurt helps to retain and increase the skin elasticity, making it more firmer and more tighter. Then alright guys, so after you've applied this, you have to make sure that, because obviously you make the treatments much and then you pack it on your skin. Okay, after this is done guys, then you can wait for approximately 5 minutes and then you just go wash this off. Okay, it's gonna be, let it sink into your skin, like kind of a little dry, but not like dry, you know. Okay, so after that, then you can go wash it off. If you can get hold of warm water, wash it off with warm water. Okay, so that's it guys. If you if you did love the video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Using this remedy would help you so much to get rid of all of the double chin, and sometimes you also have to massage and give that massage like this, and then you chew a little bit of gum. That would help you to tighten this part. Okay, so that's it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please thumbs up this video, and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys. Mwah.